Okay, my name is Joe. I'm going to teach you a little about skateboarding right now. As you can see, it's pouring out, so I can't do it outside. Yeah, my garage is pretty messy. I put up a little skate spot right here, but people just moved in, so yeah, it's pretty messy. Yeah, my friend Jake couldn't make it to this video today, and you could see why, again, but yeah, I'm gonna show you what I can do. Okay. I don't know the name of this trick. I learned it. I'm gonna try to show you. I didn't land that one, but what I did was, can't really see it. I jumped up onto this right here, and when I did that, I twisted my skateboard, like a kickflip, and then I jumped and I tried landing on it. It's a pretty fun trick that you could do when you're at a skate park or just trying to play around. Jake showed me this trick actually. I can land it. That was just upside down. Yeah, there's other tricks you could do just like that. You could do like a pop shove it like this. That was upside down too, but you could do a heel flip. You could do plenty of things. You could just practically like an ollie, just like that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you today.